What's up, guys? So if you remember from a previous video, the project car right here cannot shut the hood right now because the hood contacts the supercharger. So I've been trying to come up with ways to fix this, and I honestly think the best way is probably going to be to put a hood on it, but I can't afford to do right now. But I need to tune it, which means I need to shut the hood. So I think I've got a workaround. Let me show you what I've got and I'll explain it to you. So this is what I came up with. This is a cheap Chinese set of hood spacers that are universal. They come with these little anodized red spacers, and they come with bolts that are too small, but the actual factory bolts will fit through the spacers. So I went to look for a factory bolt that was longer. Come to find out, the intake manifold bolts, which are a hardened steel also, when you put a washer on them and put them through here, come out to be almost exactly the same length as the factory bolts. So I checked and they are the same thread pitch, so there's no reason these shouldn't work. So I'm just going to try to put these on there, space that hood out, and see if it will let me shut it. And so, as weird as that looks, the remaining question is, will it shut? So let's just slowly bring this down here and see. Hold on, let me get those out of the way. See what happens. It does shut. It does look weird as hell. Absolutely weird as hell. So, in conclusion, does this look cool? No. Is it strange to see such an odd JDM fashion on an American car? Yes. Will it let me shut the hood so I can tune this car until I can buy a hood? Also yes. So, when, I guess? I don't know. So I don't know, it is what it is. Definitely not something I would have chosen to do for an aesthetic purpose, but the hood is shut, which is the most important thing. It won't fly up on me now. So now I can get to tuning. I'll probably do that in the next video. We're gonna try to tune and dial this in with the intercooler, see what kind of KR numbers I've got, if I've got any, and see how close we can get it dialed in, because then it is just about time to go back to the dyno. Other than that, it definitely needs a hood. So feel free to roast the car down in the comments with its weird JDM hood spacer, but it is what it is. Drop me a comment, drop me a like, make sure you're subscribed. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.